Hi everyone, welcome uh today is King's Day. King's Day, Wednesday, April the 27th, 2022. Yeah, April the 27th, 2022. We have here three regular Sudokus: the binary, the medium, and the killer Sudoku. And yeah, today is also war day number 63. Yes, 63. Wow. In this daily newspaper, there's also an additional with extra puzzles. I believe there are 6 extra puzzles. 3 of them I will solve. So total of 6 for today. But first we will solve this binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 4465. Where is my pencil? My pencil. I lost my pencil. Come on. Here. My red pencil. 4465. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an one. Between two O's comes an one. Then let me think. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So those 2 boxes should be a 1. Okay. Now we have double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have here the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then oh, between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, well. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, the fifth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be an O. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 1, 2, 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Okay. Now we have a double 1. Here no, there no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Finish in 9 minutes. Okay. All right. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, Sudoku Medium. See you then. Bye-bye for now.